The components required for this experiment are Waveshare RP2040 board, LDR sensor, LCD display, I2C converter, breadboard, connecting wires and connecting cable.
Now we need to upload the program. For that, connect the Waveshare RP2040 board to your laptop. Before upload the program, press the boot button in the board and then connect the cable to the board. Once you connect the cable, then release the boot button. Now go to this drop down and the port is already selected. Select the port. Now search for the RP2040 Zero board. Now select the board, click OK. Now click this upload button and upload the program. Now the program is successfully uploaded to the Waveshare RP2040 board.